Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover adding tax into a solution where the type of finance excludes tax on payments. For example, hire purchase, chattel mortgage, or factoring. Before viewing this video, users should familiarise themselves with Profloan 3 basics. Having chosen a finance type that excludes tax on payments, note that pay tax in and in addition controls are enabled. Choose the month and select whether tax is in addition to the nominal payment. In this first example, tax will be inclusive of the nominal payment. Hit Calculate and note the payments and the amortisation schedule. In the second example, tax will be in addition to the nominal payment. Once again, note the payments and the amortisation schedule. This concludes this video.